When should you use a foam roller? Let's not overcomplicate a relatively simple process here. If you feel tight and stiff, and foam rolling has been something that has helped you in the past, by all means, foam roll. We also like to advocate for foam rolling as a warm-up or a cool-down type of activity. Now, if we had to choose our favorite time to advocate for foam rolling, we will often push for the warm-up phase of activity or exercise. We know that foam rolling is very good for driving blood flow to muscles, as well as increasing range of motion, or giving you that sense of feeling more limber or more loosened up. We also find that by foam rolling before activity and exercise, it's a nice transition task before then getting into more plyometric or dynamic warm-up activities. Now, if you have questions on whether or not you should foam roll a certain area, or if it's even going to be beneficial for you, feel free to reach out and ask. We'd be happy to help you, give you some guidance on that.